Today I'm going to show you spinach, broccoli and oats dosa. Let's go and check the ingredients. We need egg, oats powder or oats, roughly chopped broccoli and spinach, green chili, small piece of ginger, spring onions. I have separated white and green portion, oregano and pepper. You could observe I am not using any salt here. In a bowl, add broccoli and spinach, and to this add hot boiling water. Close the lid and keep it aside. In a blender, you need to add half cup of oats or oats powder. To this, I am adding a pinch of oregano and pinch of black pepper. Now I am adding egg to this. You could add 1 or 2. I am going to blend it now. It looks like this. To this I am adding half chili, small piece of ginger. To this I am going to add broccoli and spinach, which we soaked in hot boiling water. And I am adding green portion of spring onion, and I am going to blend it again. This looks like this, and you could transfer this to a bowl. And to this I am adding roughly chopped white portion spring onion and give it a mix. Adding it gives you a nice taste when you take a bite. Switch on the flame. Place the pan on it. I am using olive oil here. You could use your choice of oil. Spread the oil evenly. Once the pan is hot enough, give it a nice mix and spread it over. If you find any gaps in between, make sure you fill it properly. You need to fry this in a very low flame. It takes quite some time to fry. Close the lid so that it cooks properly. Lift up the edges and just give it a shake and flip it. Meanwhile, my son's favorite cheese pasta is getting ready. If you want to see the recipe, you could check the description box. Now the broccoli, spinach and oats dosa is ready. It's perfectly cooked both the sides. We can serve it with raita or a plain curd. I'm going to have this healthy breakfast along with my daily routine glow drink. If you want to know how to make the glow drink, check my description box. Make sure you try it. You're going to love it. You could add this to your healthy diet list. If you like a video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.